need to stop. I need to chill. Okay, I need to chill. Okay. Oh my god, I look... Okay, whatever. Hi everybody, it's Lindsay Jay, back with another video. Today I am excited because, well, I have mixed feelings right now because like I want to be excited, but once you know what we're about to do right now, you'll understand why there's a little bit of a hesitation. I went to the dollar store and I freaking love the dollar store, do not get me wrong, but when it comes to their makeup now, I get just a little nervous because my NARS blush is like, honey, sometimes up to $50. And you want to tell me that I can get a 6-color eyeshadow palette for less than $2 plus tax? Girl, oh my god. That concerns me, okay? And I don't feel like I'm being extra when I say that that concerns me because who pays $1.25? And I'm about to put this on my face for you guys. With that being said, please go right now and just subscribe. Just go and like caress the red button under this video and caress it until it's gray. And also make sure you hit the thumbs up button, not down. Check out my other social medias. Everything is the same handle at It's Lindsay Jay. You can find me everywhere on that. Oh, honeys, babes, hotties. Let's get on to this video.
A long life spent in a miserable way.
Oh my god, I can't believe I'm about to do this right now. And you know what? I need to like freshen up the rest of my makeup because it's been a long day, girls. And I honestly have to... Oh, hello. Well, now you have to come say hello. You can't just come in here like that, steal the show and not say hello. This is Boban. Oh, right now he's not in the mood for the cuddling. He's very cuddly, okay? Like annoyingly so. He's not in the mood. He's on his way to his bowl, so he's like, I want my food. And you know what? I get it because that's how I am. He got it from his mama right there. Okay. This is just so much right now. I'm like kind of nervous about this, but it's okay. Guys, we got this. Oh, I probably shouldn't curse, should I? It says cruelty-free, all-day wear, crease-proof. Okay. They're giving a lot right now. They're giving high expectations. Grease-proof. We'll see about that one. All-day wear, interesting. I'm glad about the cruelty-free. Again, I can't really confirm that. It feels a little sketchy. We'll let that slide too. We're gonna test the all-day wear. I mean, it won't be all day, but I'm going to a freaking dinner party with some of my girlies. So I'm really hoping that I don't come out busted at the end of this because I would have just wasted all that time and then I would have to completely restart. I need to be leaving here relatively soon. I just checked the time and I did not realize it was as late as it actually is right now. This is what it looks like. It comes with this, and let's be real, girls. We already know that. All of the cheap eyeshadow kits come with that. I mean, I'm not judging, it actually does work, but if I want to get the most out of this and I really want to give myself a smoky look, there is no way that that is going to cut it. So we're going to be really extra right now, and we're actually going to conceal my eyelid first before we even get started. Let me see here. So we're going into my Huda Beauty Concealer. I'm wearing mascara right now. Like, oh, this is gonna be rough. I gotta hurry and I got mascara. It's just a lot going on. Am I the only one who like opens their mouth when they do like eye makeup sometimes? I don't know why, but it just feels like it helps somehow. Yeah, you can see why we're concealing, right? Like, it's so dark over here, and having that brightness helps to bring the colors out, especially because I have hyperpigmentation naturally, which is actually why I'm able to do eyeshadowy looking looks without eyeshadow makeup. Yeah, this will bring out the colors, because if I were to put a light color on top of a dark background, I would be sitting here all day because I would really have to pack it tight, unless it were incredibly pigmented, which I honestly do not have high hopes with this dollar eyeshadow kit, girl. It makes me both excited and curious, but also very scared and unsure on whether or not this is the smartest thing to be doing to my skin when I have acne prone skin, honey. Okay, I'm not even gonna think about it because it's gonna get too much. Also, let me just say this really quickly. I am not a professional makeup artist. I don't know a whole ton of stuff about makeup. I'm just having you guys see what I do. I would really appreciate some tips and comments and suggestions. I do feel like makeup is really just playing around and trying to get to understand your face and what makes it look good. You know, people who do like those artistic creative looks, like that is phenomenal. I mean, I would love to maybe learn more stuff like that in the future, but I'm just not there yet. Which is why I'm excited to start making these makeup content with you guys so you guys can kind of progress with me. Now we're going to set that in place with translucent powder. So now I have pretty much a blank canvas. We have 6 colors and they're a decent mix, you know, of colors and textures and everything. We have 2 that are glittery. The rest of them are regular eyeshadows, it looks like. And then we have the white one. So I'm gonna go ahead in with the white one first, and then we'll build it from there. And again, just putting that all over the place. I just really want to brighten this area up because of my hyperpigmentation, so that these dark colors that create that smoky look are going to really pop in the areas that they need to. And I also just wanted to test out the pigmentation. It seems very light, which is to be expected. It was $1. Oh my god, this is like kind of new for me too, guys. I'm still learning, so please don't cover me down below. Just give me kind suggestions and let me know what I should be doing. We're gonna go in the darkest color, and oop, that is a lot going on. It is very powdery. Oh god, this means it's probably gonna be highly pigmented. Oh god. This better work out good, because I do not have a lot of time. Guys, trust the process, okay? And since I do have hooded eyelids, I really like to just keep my eyelids rested and open when I'm trying to figure out where to make my eyeliner. Oh god, this is not good, honey. It doesn't blend out very well. It's okay. We're just gonna keep doing it. That means it's just gonna take longer, but we're gonna get there. So it took a lot of blending, but I think you guys can kind of see very gentle cat eye. It's stretching out. So I added a little bit extra over here on this side, so I'm bouncing it off now. I just worry I'm gonna mess up my mascara at this point. I'm just doing a very gentle eyeliner look, but like with brown powder. I feel like I want it to be a little higher on this side though. Doesn't feel high enough. I'm just taking it all the way up to my temples at this point to further dramatize. To further dramatize the cat eye look, blending all that into each other. Okay, so this is actually going pretty well. Now we're going to take the dark glittery one and try and add that in there and see what happens. Okay, so nothing really is happening. This seems like it's going pretty well, actually. I'm just worried about what it's gonna do to my eyelids and my skin, and hopefully they won't be like up. I really don't know what other way to say. I hope they're not messed up. I don't want to be all busted and stuff. If I weren't going somewhere, then I feel like it wouldn't be as intense. And also, I know what you guys are saying right now to yourself. You're like, well, why didn't you just pick another time to do this video? 1, that wouldn't make it as fun. 2, these are like my really great friends, so like I feel like I kind of want to see their reactions too. Honestly, it won't make that much of a difference. And if it's really that bad, I'll just like wipe it off. I do not need to wear makeup in order to go out. It's going well so far. I want to take the sparkly, the glittery silver/gray one and then put that inside. And then I hope you can see a little bit, but I feel like you can see that I've given myself a little bit of a cat eye. It's just really gentle because I don't really do a whole lot of eyeliner. I've tried, but honestly, it's really difficult with hooded eyes. It's definitely possible. I can definitely do it. It's just I'm not really gonna be in the mood to do that on a regular basis, so I really only do that if I'm like going out, girl. Like out into the city, being cute, girls trip, I might wear myself a little lashes and eyeliner. On most occasions, I really don't. Also, everything else was already done with my makeup. I really just needed to add some eyeshadow. Now I'm just freshening up my makeup from earlier. I don't have any foundation on. I'm now adding blush, make my face look a little less dead. I feel like blush just like brightens everything up. Since I'm going for like a more natural look, I don't really need to worry too much as to where I place it. I try to keep it relatively high on my cheekbones so that it goes with that cat eye look. Might add a little bit on my nose here too. Am I the only one who likes to smile when they apply blush? Please comment down below if you smile when you apply blush, because I just feel like I want it to really accentuate like my cheeks, so I don't know. I just feel like it does something. Let me see here. What are we gonna do with contour? We're gonna do some contour right now. I have a damp beauty blender here. I'm going in with my excuse me, Fenty Beauty truffle colored contour stick. I'm just gonna give myself a super high contour and we are going to pat that all in. Do 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 do. Oh, just gotta get my nose. Now we are gonna go in with my Charlotte Tilbury highlight and bronzer thing here. I'm gonna go with the highlight and just highlight very high up on my cheekbone, girl. Again, if you want to do that whole cat eye looking vibe, it's a good idea to have it high up on there. High up on there. I like to put like relatively a lot at first and then go in with my beauty blender and just like buff it out. Okay. I'm also going to reapply the mascara as well. I feel like it kind of got messed up. This is the best I'm gonna get right now. Now I'm just going to take a big puffy brush and just pack everything in together. No powder or anything. A nice gentle pat. I'm not sure what I'm gonna do with my lips today. I don't think I'm gonna do anything with my lips except for wear this pink grapefruit Burt's Bees moisturizing lip balm, which is what I literally wear every single day. I'm basic as I kind of want to try something else today. So it's called the Lifter by Maybelline New York. It's a gloss with hyaluronic acid. Acide hyaluronique. Okay, I'm sorry. I want to try this. I got this at CVS, so I'm just curious to see how it's gonna go. Oh, and we have another kitty cat coming. Laura! Now you have to say hi. It's your turn to be terrorized. Hi. This is Lyra. She's also incredibly cuddly. Oh my god. Anyways. Oh, I'm trying to like figure my life out right now. Maybe if I add a little bit of brown on the outsides. I do think that the brown helped a little bit, but to be completely real with you, I cannot eat with these lips, okay? They're cute. Pouty moment. I cannot eat with this. No way, Jose. So I'm probably gonna take a few pictures with the lipstick on, and then I'm gonna take it off, and we're gonna pretend like it was never there. And I'm gonna eat my food. Let's take this off and see what it looks like. So this is the finished look. Well, that is it for this video. Hope you guys enjoyed it. I want to know what you guys think of this look. I think it turned out pretty great. I know that I'm not like super extreme and I don't do all the crazy stuff, but I feel like my little basic makeup is good too. Still effective, okay? I still got the catty look, okay? I really like it. I probably will never use this palette ever again, just because $1.25 for an eyeshadow palette is very concerning to me. We'll see, honestly, like we'll really just find out, because I'm gonna wear this for a few hours, see how it goes, and hopefully when I go to wash this off, it's not gonna like cause some kind of damage to my skin. So and it says that this has a shelf time of 36 months. That's also concerning. how can it last that long? That is it for this video. Thank you guys so much for watching this video and for joining with me today on this little adventure of trying out $1 eyeshadow palette. That is so cheap for a makeup eyeshadow palette with 6 colors. I can't wait to see what you guys think of it. Please go and comment what you think of this look, what you feel. Just tell me what you're thinking right now. Please make sure to give this video a thumbs up, and also please subscribe to my channel if you haven't already, because it helps me out so much. So please join the Jay family as we are growing every single day. I love you all so much. I will see you in the next video. Peace on the street.